Hello and welcome to Revox Social's guide to keyframing in Adobe Premiere Pro. Keyframing is something that allows you to change the properties of an effect, object, or transition over time, leading to some pretty cool effects in the process. To start, hop over to Premiere Pro, get your file set up with the basics like a blank background and graphic of choice, and click on the Editing tab. Next, select which block you want to keyframe. In this instance, with a graphic block we want to animate, we grab the first position coordinate, drag it into our desired starting position, and click the stopwatch. This begins the recording for your keyframe. And then, we find our desired stop position, and you click the small diamond to end your keyframe recording. Lastly, you can speed up your keyframes by moving the small diamonds closer together, or you can slow them down by moving them farther apart. Thank you guys so much for watching our video today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.